What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I'm actually quite excited about today's video because I picked up this skin brightening kit from a Korean skincare store the other day, and I am madly in love with this kit. You guys know I am Indian and my skin is full of melanin, which causes all the dark spots and blemishes on my face all the time, especially in the summer months. So I am always after products which has got vitamin C or niacinamide in it, so they can help lighten those dark spots and help to brighten my face. And this is skincare kit I picked up. It has got niacinamide and one more product which is really good and which is even more stronger than vitamin C. So really beautiful kit for somebody who has got a dark skin like me. So if you want to learn, keep on watching. My channel. My name is Anna. I am a cosmetic nurse. I have studied skin and skincare products in depth. So I like to think I know what I'm talking about. And I make videos mainly about skincare, some videos about health and fitness. And if you want to learn my tips, subscribe right here and press on that bell icon and you will never miss out on another video. So the skin brightening kit I picked up is from brand called Som by Me. It's written as Som by Me, but the lady who gave me this kit was Korean and she told me that it's pronounced as Som by Me. So Som by Me is a Korean skincare company, very famous company. What makes them so famous is because all their skincare products are made out of very natural ingredients, and their philosophy is to use the natural ingredients which are gentle on your skin. So this kit contains 4 different products. Product number 1 which you have to use is Yuja Niacin Brightening Toner, and this is the first step in the skincare. Second one is Yuja Niacin Blemish Care Serum, and third step is if you are doing morning skincare, then you will apply Yuja Niacin Brightening Moisture Gel, and if you are doing nighttime skincare, then you are applying Yuja Niacin Sleeping Mask. It's called Brightening Sleeping Mask. So really beautiful kit, really gentle products. Nothing in this kit is which is gonna irritate your skin because they are all very naturally derived ingredients. So the main ingredients used in this brightening skincare kit are: first, Yuja extract. Yuja extract is a fruit like lemon, but it's not lemon, it's not lime, it's different from lemon, and it has got 3 times more vitamin C compared to a lemon or lime. So that's their main product in this brightening kit. And the second ingredient in this kit is niacinamide, and niacinamide is very well known for its brightening effect. It helps treat blemishes. Niacinamide is really good if you have got hyperpigmentation. Niacinamide also has got anti-inflammatory properties. It helps with if you have got redness and inflammation on your skin. So these both ingredients, Yuja extract, which is stronger than lime or lemon and which has got way more vitamin C than lemon, and then niacinamide together makes this kit a perfect kit if you have got skin which has got dark spots, blemishes and hyperpigmentation. So apart from treating your blemishes, hyperpigmentation and dark spot, vitamin C and niacinamide, they are very well known to stimulate the production of collagen. So you're gonna get more collagen production, which is gonna give more support to your face and which is gonna give you more younger appearance. And because of more production of collagen, you will have less fine lines and wrinkles on your face as well. So lots of benefits, really good ingredients, and this kit wasn't even that expensive if I remember. So I paid $45 for this kit, which is absolutely nothing when you look at the products and you look at the ingredients in these products. So Yuja Niacin Brightening Gel Cream, which you have to apply in the morning, has got 90% Yuja extract and 5% niacinamide. Same with the Yuja Niacin Brightening Toner. It has got 90% Yuja extract and 5% niacinamide. And in the serum, it has got 82.3 Yuja extract and 5% niacinamide, and the Yuja Niacin Brightening Sleeping Mask has way more Yuja extract and 5% niacinamide. So really good percentage of ingredients and beautiful naturally driven ingredients. I am really happy with this kit. So I have been using these products for, I would say, 3 to 4 days. It's too early to tell you the results because this kit is designed to use for at least 4 weeks. So when I finish using this kit for 4 weeks, I'll be able to tell you a bit more about the results. But the results which I am seeing now, even after using for 4 to 5 days, is my skin feels really hydrated. My skin feels really soft, and none of these products have given me any skin irritation at all. I don't have any redness on my face, and yeah, I'm actually really happy, and I'm looking forward to see the brightening results in 4 weeks time. So in the next clip, I will show you how these products look on my face and how quickly they add that moisture and hydration to my skin. So just check out the next clip, and I have done the nighttime skincare using this skincare kit, so you will be able to see how quickly my face looked well moisturized and hydrated. So first step, I am going to use the brightening toner. So I have got this cotton pad here with me, and I am going to put few drops of this toner on this cotton pad like this, and then just wipe it all over my face. Yeah, it makes your skin looks really well hydrated. Even the toner itself is really good. Look, you can already see how much hydration has been added to my skin. So this was the first step, cleaning your face with the toner, and you can see even though I have washed my face, it has got still little bit of dirt came off my face. So that was step number 1. And then step number 2, I'm going to apply this Niacin Blemish Care Serum. The bottle looks like this. So I'm going to use few drops and apply all over my face. This serum is actually really concentrated. I don't want to drop the bottle and let the serum run everywhere. Okay, so I used the dropper, and now I'm going to apply this serum all over my face. As you can see, these products are like really hydrating. Absorbed into the skin really well. So that's our serum done. And then step number 3, if you are doing the morning skincare routine, then you will apply this Niacin Brightening Moisture Gel Cream. But because I'm doing a nighttime skincare, so I will be applying their brightening sleeping mask. So let's apply this and see how it looks like on my skin. Sorry. So it looks like this. It's a gel gel like consistency. So I'm gonna apply this sleeping mask all over my face. Oh my god, like it's super hydrating. All these ingredients, I mean all these products are very hydrating. So that's our brightening sleeping mask is done. I'm just gonna rub it into my face a bit more so it doesn't stain my clothes, it doesn't stain my pillows. So yeah, there you go. So that's the sleeping mask on. So the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some lip balm, lip sleeping mask from Laneige, which is right here. So this is Laneige lip sleeping mask, really hydrating. So that's it. I am all set and I'm ready to go to bed. And I shall see you guys tomorrow morning. Until then, bye bye. So I am actually really happy with this brightening kit, and I am so looking forward to the results in 4 weeks time. So yeah, that's it about today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give me thumbs up and leave your opinion in the comment section. Your opinion is really important to me.